Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll show you how to transfer money in GTA 5 Online. Watch until the end to learn this simple process. Step 1. To start, hold down the touchpad on your controller or press and hold the M key on PC. This will bring up the interaction menu on the left side of your screen. Step 2. Access inventory. Scroll down the interaction menu and select Inventory. This will open up the Inventory submenu. Step 3. Navigate down the Inventory submenu and select Cash. Then, choose the Share Cash from Last Job option. Step 4. Select Recipient and Amount. This will bring up a list of players you can share money with. Highlight the player you want to share with, adjust the percentage amount using the navigation keys, and then select Accept at the bottom of the list. That's it. Transferring money in GTA 5 Online is easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.